Seth, do you remember the Fed when you were in school? Mr. Federici? Well, you're gonna get a chance to see his house. It's got a nice two-car garage that's separated from the house. They've put all kinds of stuff in the garage. So nice size. As you know, we are at 8 Hadley Lane. Okay, here's the main entry. Fireplace. I can't tell if the fireplace is workable or not, but it's certainly been used. I like the detail on the mantle. Forced water heat. The typical old-fashioned outlets, which someone has tried to blend in by painting them. I hate that. Nice built-in. Goes right over to the kitchen. Nice sightline here. Before we lose all of our light, we do have a deck out here. This is how you'd actually get into the garage, is through the side door. I guess nice that the garage has electricity in it. That's an old school clothes dryer. Very energy efficient with that. We were teasing Sue that she wasn't turning lights on. Let the teasing continue. Looks like those are all the screens. Okay. That little, I'm gonna call it a dog house, is where the bulkhead in the basement comes out. Which it's nice to have a little covered area like that. Here's Sue making the house look cold even though I've turned the heat up.
So look, it doubles the square footage. from upstairs to downstairs. It totally doubled it. That's.
We have not looked up there. There's bathroom. Yeah, if you like blue, great. If you don't, that can be changed. Standard fiberglass insert replacement. Sue's all excited by the toilet paper. That's where the air conditioning sucks out. That's the return. This is the master. All the closets have lights in them, which frankly I like. This room's smallish, nursery, office, something like that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Houses in this era were really built well.
Yeah. So were people. I was built in '66.
Time to turn you in.
I think that's all getting redundant. I just feel like maybe getting
I don't know what's gonna go up there, but you'd put something up there. Holiday decorations, liquor, who knows? Sue's concerned that there's a dehumidifier running down here. Does not smell wet. We do have some things that need to get addressed. I think the Fed lived down here is what happened and basically ignored upstairs. I think that they had someone clean the carpet, but I don't know that. Here's a downstairs bathroom, full-size shower. This is the way out. That's the doghouse I was talking about. They're using this as a bedroom. It doesn't have a window that's large enough for egress, so the legality of this as a bedroom would be in question. They have egress windows now so that the firemen can get in and out with all the turnout gear on. Obviously, they have some supplemental heat down here. Not a surprise in a downstairs space. I guess he's a Comcast user, but it doesn't matter. You can get FiOS here. Obviously had a TV up there. So, basic oil burner. You've got the oil tank there. That's a tankless, well, not tankless. That's a water storage tank. Those things tend to last forever because there's no heat in them. The only heat is through the water that goes into it. 100-amp service. Orlando Electric. He was the electrical inspector in town for years. Let me take back my FiOS comment. It's a clean out for the fireplace. Okay. It looks like the Fed was pretty organized. So that's it. Signing off.